I get it. I feel you. I 100% agree. I see what's going on. Ooh, we got all the places around. We just gotta find a place to park. We got all the places around here. We just gotta find a place to chill out. Yeah, I could. Yes, ma'am.